The beginning is, perhaps, more difficult than anything else, but keep heart, it will turn out all right. I always think that the best way to know God is to love many things. The heart of man is very much like the sea. It has its storms, it has its tides, and in its depths, it has its pearls too. I am always doing what I cannot do yet, in order to learn how to do it. I try more and more to be myself, caring relatively little whether people approve or disapprove. Great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. The fishermen know that the sea is dangerous and the storm terrible, but they have never found these dangers sufficient reason for remaining ashore. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Art is to console those who are broken by life. If I am worth anything later, I am worth something now. For wheat is wheat, even if people think it is a grass in the beginning. I put my heart and soul into my work, and I have lost my mind in the process. If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. A great fire burns within me, but no one stops to warm themselves at it, and passers-by only see a wisp of smoke. To suffer without complaint is the only lesson we have to learn in this life. Whoever loves much, performs much, and can accomplish much, and what is done in love is done well. I confess I do not know why, but looking at the stars always makes me dream. Don't lose heart. If it's very difficult at times, everything will come out all right, and nobody can in the beginning do as he wishes. Seek only light and freedom, and do not immerse yourself too deeply in the worldly mire. I long so much to make beautiful things, but beautiful things require effort and disappointment and perseverance. We spent our whole lives in unconscious exercise of the art of expressing our thoughts with the help of words. As we advance in life, it becomes more and more difficult, but in fighting the difficulties, the inmost strength of the heart is developed. Both she and I have grief enough and trouble enough, but as for regrets, neither of us have any. I hope to depart in no other way than looking back with love and wistfulness, and thinking, oh, paintings that I would have made. The victory one would gain after a whole life of work and effort is better than one that is gained sooner Even the knowledge of my own fallibility cannot keep me from making mistakes. Only when I fall do I get up again. The more I think it over, the more I feel that there is nothing more truly artistic than to love people.